Welcome to Productive Brain. This video is about the richest man in Babylon and what can we learn from him. 1. Pay yourself first. Save 20% of your monthly income and do not touch it until retirement. This is a good rule to live by, as you'll never be tempted to spend money that you don't have, which will ultimately help build wealth over time. If you can save more than 20%, then that's even better. The important thing is that you pay yourself first so that when an emergency does arise, there are funds available for it. Ensure your future income. Buying life insurance for your children is a good way to ensure that they'll always have an income stream. After all, if you die without securing an income stream for them, who will pay their college tuition? 3. Live below your means. It's easier to accumulate wealth when you are not spending more than you earn. Whenever possible, try to live below your means. For example, if you make 50,000 a year and have a 4,000 car payment, which is very common, then you are really only making 40,000 a year after taxes. 4. Protect your money. The richest man in Babylon might have had more money than we can even imagine, but he still didn't take any chances with it. He protected his wealth by keeping it liquid and readily available to him at all times. This is a lesson that many of us could stand to learn from. 5. Save more. If you are living paycheck to paycheck, it's time to get handle on your money. The best way to do that is by creating a spending plan and saving more every month. Try putting aside 10% of your income into savings every month, or even setting up an automatic transfer from checking to savings so you don't have to think about it. In addition to helping you save for emergencies, retirement, and other big-ticket items down the road, having cash in savings will also help you pay off debt faster. 6. Invest your money. If you save money, it can grow over time. Investing your money is a great way to make it grow faster. Let's say you invest 1000 rupees month at 12% interest. After 1 year, you will have invested Rs 12,000 and earned Rs 1200 interest. In 2 years, you will have invested Rs 20,000. In 10 years, you will have invested 36,000 and earned 3,600 interest. And so on. You may be wondering, how much do I need to start investing? 7. Increase your ability to earn. It's a simple principle, but true. The more money you have, the easier it is to make more. So if you are hoping to become richer, and who isn't? Then one of your top priorities should be increasing your ability to earn. After all, what good is a pile of cash if you don't know how to turn it into even more cash? 8. Control your expenditure. Before you can decide on what to do with your revenue, you need to figure out where it all goes. Make a budget and don't go over it. It's that simple, really. As much as possible, control your expenditure. And when you have some money left at the end of each month, put it away for a rainy day. Thank you for watching.